is the spectacular backdrop of the Andalsnes area and Andalsnes, I think. And we're going for a day to the Trollstigen. Here's D, trying to stay on the bike. She's been very wobbly. I almost stacked it a few times.
Wobbly wobbly.
Can't you go straight? She's gonna fall off the road. Oh no, she's turning around. And that's the target that we're trying to reach.
You wanna see me do a wheelie?
There it is. I don't think we're gonna get there. Go on, do a wheelie.
No.
Okay, so I've reached probably halfway right through to the Trollstigen, I think that's how to pronounce it. Famous tourist mountain road. Its destination is apparently the tallest mountain cliff face in Europe, but I'm not going to get there because it's just too far and too hilly. This is the tour that I'm used to get here. Wish there was a motor on it though. Alright, this is the end of the road for me. That's as far as I'm prepared to go. Looks like it's going to be a big hill down the bottom there to climb back up again. Whoop, that's a 180-degree turn. Quite majestic mountains. I actually witnessed a small avalanche before, but I didn't capture it on video. It wasn't fast enough. Okay, just catching a bit of the ride back. Here you are. Quite a scenic bike ride, except for the weather. Oh, and the hills. Whoops, better not stack it here. Two hands please.